Namaste Bharat. So we welcome Sri Vallabhai Kathiria ji on the platform of Namaste Bharat, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The world is my family, where in true sense, Vallabhai ji is living the core of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. So let's welcome Sri Vallabhai Kathiria ji, Dr. Vallabhai Kathiria ji. So the audience,
Namaste, Namaste,
so
Namaste Guru,
audience.
Namaste Bharat.
So Dr. Vallabhbhai Kathiria ji, we must know him very closely, and we got an opportunity to understand Vallabhbhai ji here in a very close platform. So Dr. Vallabhbhai ji Kathiria ji is a reputed oncologist, surgeon, and he has been four-time member of Parliament Lok Sabha from Rajkot, Gujarat, and Union Minister of State Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, HRD. Heavy industries and public enterprises also was under the same ministry. And government of India, apart from being the member of several standing committee of different departments, government of India, he also been a chairman of Gau Seva, Gau Sanchar Vikas Board of Gujarat for 7 years. Dr. Kathiriaji is a centurion blood donor. Now, this is a great thing, which he has not been serving a country, but he has been showing the world by being a part of, giving his blood to the people wherever it can be a help to him. And you won't believe it, like you must hear out this, my global audience, that he has been awarded by the Red Cross of India, and he is still regular blood donor, having donated blood 127 times till now.
Now
So
it is 120. Now it is 128.
wow, so it's a great applaud movement. So
During Corona period, I donated blood in my medical college. The camp was organized by Indian Medical Association, our Rajkot branch. At that time, I
wow.
donated for 128th time.
My gosh. So, my audience, can you just understand the dedication and the level of dedication one can have? So, this is a time of learning as well. So, when you are listening, the learning is a part of it. So, he is an eminent social worker that too we can easily got to know about him. But you have to understand in during a devastated condition of earthquake and water conservation or a Gau Seva or in Gujarat has an immense capability Dr. Kathiria ji is having to serve the humankind. He is a trustee of many welfare trusts of Gujarat. He is also winning of Dadabhai Nauroji award and for the peace and development. I think then that is amazing. Again, an added qualification we have to learn here. And he has been the best president of the Lions International Awardee, Lifetime Achievement Award by the Surgeons Association of India. So here, when we are talking to Dr. Kathiria ji, we are even understanding the health also. We will have an opportunity to understand about the health also in a global level. So, and last but not the least, I must say that Dr. Kathiria has been invited several times as a keynote speaker on various subjects. So, and it is related to the Gau Seva, water conservation, rural development by the state government and universe throughout the country. He is widely traveled nationally and internationally and well read, well traveled. We have a person, Dr. Kathiria ji, with us. And we again, Namaste Bharat, welcome you, Dr. Kathiria ji. And before going ahead, just little bit for our audience, because हमारी जो audience है, उन्हें गौ के बारे में, उनकी इम्पोर्टेंस के बारे में ग्लोबल लेवल पे इतनी अवेयरनेस नहीं है, तो मैं थोड़ा सा उनको बताऊंगी कि गौ क्या है, क्यों उनका इम्पोर्टेंस है और कोविड-19 में ये कैसे क्वांटम मूवमेंट है. So cow has a set on a holy pedestal across the ancient civilization. Be it in the Greek, Nordic, or Egyptian, the cow has been the goddess and the protector of mother and the sacred to her people. In North mythology, the cow is the creator of the universe. So we must understand that how Dr. Vallabhbhai Kathiria ji is connected to the cow. So understand the level of knowledge, the level of understanding with the universe, and creating a quantum, not only with the mammals, but even with the man and humankind. So again, welcome Katiria Sahib, and we will start our journey now.
Yes, धन्यवाद to Dr. Shilpa Desai for inviting me in your global platform to discuss various issues related to cow and human health. And thank you very much for inviting me. As you said rightly regarding cow, see, cow is known as mother of universe. Gavo Vishwasya Mataraha. It is not the mother of only Hindu or mother of only India, but it is mother of universe. And that to level, when I became the chairman of Gau Seva Ayog Gujarat, I could understand the magnanimity of the cow. What is the
Oh,
real, the science behind cow? Gavo Vishwasya Matara. Again, it is said that Matara Sarvabhutanam Gavah Sarva Sukhapradaha. It is
oh,
all pleasure, including Lauki कहते हैं ना कि India,
yes,
our spiritual and metaphysical and all.
all
This is
on.
the importance of cow. And when we are talking about the cow, it is said that गाय हरता फिरता दवाखाना है. It's a mobile dispensary.
Ah,
Cow is a mobile pharmacy even. औषधालय भी है.
medicine.
Dispensary as well as औषधालय. It is full of science that I could learn, and I want to disseminate this knowledge to universally. And that
Absolutely.
too regarding our Indian cow, the cow, our holy cow. In
Holy cow.
America, in Brazil, and other countries, it is known as Brahmin cow. Indian cow, the cow Taurus and cow Indicus. There are two breeds. Our is a cow Indicus, and that is the greatest, invaluable, uncomparable, unparalleled to any other animals or any other creatures in the world. And that's why she is called the mother of universe, mother of all creatures. That's just
Yes.
in a short. Okay, now you can go ahead.
Absolutely. So this is the evidence of the knowledge is what the Dr. Kathiria ji has shown here, that how it is important to open your mind and your learning think capacity whenever you go anywhere. So, sir, I would like to ask you here, what would you say about the transition of the global health during this COVID-19, all this months, what has happened?
Very nicely. See, Corona has learned so many lessons to the human mankind. We are going so fast, so with cruelty to any all other creatures. Now, Corona has learned a lesson to live in harmony with all creatures, live in
Yes.
harmony with nature, and that is the basic lesson Corona has taught. See, one very micro millimeter uh, insect virus has,
Yes.
or we are under prison, or
I know.
mankind is under prison now. It's a reverse. So now we
Absolutely.
have to understand, and in that case, I will say that cow, our mother cow, our Indian cow, our Desi cow is going to play a major role in further
Absolutely.
reshuffling the universal climate change issues, universal health issues, universal health. When health we are talking about the then naturally food and fruits
Ah,
and
yes.
all agriculture. So
Yes.
health, environment, and all other aspects of human life are going to change, and we will have to focus. And that's why many a times I say that now on the onward journey will be cow centric society. We will have to
Yes.
go to गौ आधारित समाज व्यवस्था, cow
Gawadari.
centric social environment, and that we will have to promote it for our well-being, for our selfishness. If we
Yes.
want to survive, and we want to survive our next generation, then we will have to rethink totally. We will have to think globally, but we will have to act locally. And in that, cow is going to play a major role.
So global come to locals, and local has
Yes,
to go to global. So I
right,
think
right.
very, very nicely, Vallabhbhai ji, you have said here. So actually, you are an oncologist, you are an well-read person and an intellectuals. Sir, we would like to ask you, like, what is actually a COVID 2019? There are lots of rumors going on. The people are not understanding in a true sense what exactly it is. So I think you are the
Yes,
best.
see, it's now a debatable again and very crucial point. We cannot say whether it's a man-made or it's a nature-made. But
Natural.
whatever it is, we are suffering. All world is suffering from that.
All world is
In the future, we will be able to know whether it was a laboratory made virus or nature made. But
kind.
it's a wonder, a very, very, really devastating the world. Not
Yes.
only economically, socially, but physically also. It will change the whole. Uh, it is said that the new normals are
New
going
global.
to go with the new normal in our life. And
Yes.
see, at present also, every day the news are coming that this remdesivir is working. Second day, no, it is not working. Initially, it was said HCQ, hydroxychloroquine, is working. Nowadays, it is
Yes.
said that no, it is not effective. Even regarding virus, various rumors are coming whether it will be effective or not. Whether the virus is changing its pattern, is changing its
Yes.
behavior, and that's why we are
Yes.
not sure how our future will be with the coronavirus.
With
But
the
what I
coronavirus.
can say, we will have to adjust ourselves. We will have to live with virus. We will have to have our tradition, our system, and accommodation with the virus. So this is
Yes.
the lesson we have learned, and in that, I will say that prevention is better than cure, and then
Always.
yes, and then promotive is better than the curative health. So for prevention of the diseases and for promotive health, means immunity, it is said that
Right.
nowadays immunity word is going on very well. Everybody
Very
says that
well.
if you increase your immunity, you will be able to resist with the virus. But at that
Yes.
time, how to increase our immunity? How to increase our preventive or promotive and preventive health? And in that case, again I come to my cow. Again I come to my
Yes.
Gomata.
Go Mata.
Cow is known for Panchagavya, five elements of cow. That is cow
Yes.
milk, cow curd, cow ghee. These are the three products made from cow. Then
Yes.
cow urine, and fifth is cow dung. See, cow dung, all all excreta, or we say
Wow.
we are 84 lakh yoni, 84 lakhs creatures. Out of
Yes.
that, only the cow dung is known, is called holy.
Yes.
Cow dung is having a wonderful medicinal values. There are so many
Absolutely.
other uses also. So these five elements are going to help us in our adjusting our life, for promoting our health, for increasing our immunity, and in that case, exactly your the Namaste Bharat Health and Wellness जो
Yes.
आपका रियल में जो पर्पज है, it will be served with
So,
Panchgavya, and it is going to be,
absolutely.
believe me, it is going to be huge industry in future,
Yes.
and who
Yes.
will come first will be ahead. Panchgavya, see,
Absolutely.
this is the, yes, one
Uh-huh.
medicine, one drops, prepared and invented by one pharmaceutical, Ayurvedic pharmaceutical in Indore, and
Okay.
it contains all five elements as well as few other herbal plants, and he
France.
has made the solution, and nothing to do. Only simple thing, you have to just spray
Cigarette
in your
note.
nasal, just like this. So the drops will be inside, and the whole nasal tract will be clear, or
Oh,
will be a protective layer for a virus, because virus goes from the enters from the nose or
yes.
from the mouth.
Absolutely.
So
Nose or
again
a
you can
mouth.
spray here also, just to spray twice a day, and you will
Wow.
be able to prevent coronavirus or any other viruses and bacteria through nasal as well as mouth
Mouth.
entry. So this is the real invention of Panchgavya guy
Wow.
cow.
Cow.
See, and it is going to be. So I request the global audience, even
Yes.
the research in this side should go on. We should focus our research on Panchgavya, on
Cow.
ghee. See, this is the. I'm coming to directly your subject. This is the Jyotismati Grut. It means ghee. See, is it is said clearly. This is the ghee. There is no word in English literature for ghee. It is known as a buttermilk, only buttermilk,
Yes.
butter oil, butter oil.
Yes.
But ghee is a unique word in our language, our Sanskrit, and it is going to be one of the best medicine.
Yes.
Many people, many pharmaceutical companies, many our gausalas, young entrepreneurs are manufacturing this, and they are selling with 1,000 rupees for 100 ml.
Oh.
It means 10,000 rupees per kg. because it contains original cow ghee, made from cow milk, and along with the 40, 50 or 100 Satagrut, it is many a time it is called Satagrut. It means 100 various plants and herbs are incorporated in this ghee, and this is the best medicine. There are so many uses. I will not go in detail, but there are hundreds of diseases where you can use this ghee as a curative medicine as well as for increasing your immunity. So these are the various uses. See, this is the again moisturizing solution.
Green.
Yes, when we
Yeah,
are
it's so good. Aesthetics value.
this is the moisturizing agent, moisturizing solution. So
Yes.
cow ghee, cow, and it is well known that if
It's
you want to keep your
skin
skin
good.
right, so this
Yeah,
is the
yeah.
product again of the Panchgavya. This is going to be huge market.
Huge
These are
market.
the again nasal drops. These are
Yeah.
the nasal drops. You can
Ghee
see,
is out of
yeah,
ghee.
for if anidra patient in psychosis and brain
Insomnia.
psychological disorders, if one is not having the good sleep, even the snoring, in all these are the nasal drops
Wow.
made up of the Panchgavya. Many a time cow urine is also there, cow ghee is also there, and these
Mm-hmm.
are the various uses. This is
Yeah.
going to be a not only small scale, but medium scale, not only even a corporate level you can go. And see, these are the again I will show you these are the Panchgavya granules. Cow
Wow.
dung, cow urine, cow ghee, and after freezing and with technology, they have made the granules. And that
How to
granules you
use it?
can eat with one teaspoon or two teaspoon every day for with milk or with water also. You can use
Okay.
it. And these are the various uses of Panchgavya cow. That definitely is going to increase your immunity and not only increase immunity, but for promotive health. And I will again say that
Curative.
I am able to donate blood for 128 times because of I I had cow in my village. I am a very coming from very small farmer family, very
Yeah.
lower middle class, but we used to have cows, and I used to have 1 liter milk every day in childhood, and along with the
Oh,
ghee. My mother, father used to give me ghee and makhan
wow.
in a huge quantity, and that is the result that I am still healthy and happy, healthy and hearty. See, these are the uses of cow. Okay, now you can ask me other questions also.
This is like here I would like to add my childhood memory related cow. We never had a paint in our house, you know. We used to use the cow dung to, in spite of the paint, we used to have that, and even in the flooring. So I have learned those flooring, doing it with the cow dung, making the floor.
Yeah.
I used to
See, this is the
cow dung.
recent the technological form of cow dung. We used to have
Wow.
our walls and our floors with cow dung, but now the cow dung cake and cow dung wallpaper and cow dung tiles are made, and you can use in your table piece as a table piece, as a wall piece also, and in your
Absolutely.
as a brick also. So there are so many uses of
So nice.
such type of cow dung as articles, right from cow dung diya. At present, we
Yes.
are going with
And
the
Diwali.
cow
So
dung Deepak and cow
Indian
dung such
Ganpati,
type
the
of
other.
yeah such type of see these are the various murtis, various idols of the gods. So this is also one alternative use. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. So I remember I'm so thankful to you. Even in my house, I have that Ganpati ji, which you have
Yes,
gifted me of cow dung, which has been made handmade. So it's like the audience who are listening to us. Now this is an opportunity for a business. This is an opportunity for your daily livelihood. When we are talking, see, every problem comes with an opportunity. Every new diversity bring some new inventory. So definitely you have to listen very carefully this interview to understand what you can make and create. The biggest industry is waiting for you here. So here one more thing I would like to ask you, Dr. Saab. What are the beneficiary scheme we have for the SME sectors and entrepreneurs from the government ministry? What
very
they can
very nice question. Yes, very nice question. See, for that purpose only, our honorable Prime Minister, who is really a visionary and a missionary Prime Minister, he has
yes.
established Rashtriya Kamdhenu Ayog, the
So,
Cow Commission of India. for that purpose only, to explore the various uses, various schemes for the welfare of the humanity, for the welfare of the country, to increase the GDP of our country, to make our country healthy and wealthy, to make our country Atmanirbhar. So what are the various aspects of various dimensions of cow that we are going to explore, and we are now
Absolutely.
trying to explore. See, in MSME, not only in MSME, but in science and technology, in Ayush Ministry, even in tourism ministry, we are
Yes,
exploring the various avenues for income generation, for youth employment,
absolutely.
for
Yes,
women's empowerment, and women's employment. See, and rural development. All issues are for many a time our prime minister is saying make in India concept. We have to strengthen the make in India concept for that healthy India, green India, clean India. All concepts are really accommodated, and we are trying to
and it becomes
accommodate
an
with the
industry.
cow-based overall solutions.
Industry, we can create a
Yes.
global
So in
industry.
that MSME, suppose you want to have Gaushala and various such type of products, right from phenyl, cow urine
Yes,
made phenyl from cow urine, soap, shampoo, phenyl, ISO, such type of moisturizing agent. There are so many household and uh, uh, cosmetic items. For that, MSME ministry is there, uh, KVIC, Khadi and village industries are there, and
yes,
at district level, Jilla Udyog Kendra, district industry center are there. So they will guide you how to go ahead. There are many
wow,
startup also. Now
yes,
Prime Minister has given the concept of
there are
startup.
many
You
startups.
can start up, have your startup for cow milk only. See, the desi cow milk, our indigenous cow milk is called ambrosia, amrut. So इनको अमृत why? So how we can sell it? तो उन्होंने बहुत से there are so many youngsters coming with the wonderful packing of cow milk, 500 ml, 1
Yes,
liter, and they are selling with the 100 rupees per liter. Similarly, ghee and various medicines. There are various schemes. You have to go to the portal. Of, suppose you want to have established pharmaceutical industry, then you go to the pharmaceutical or portal. If you want to produce medicines, then in Ayush Ministry. If you want to go for the other than the medicinal uses, suppose uh, biogas, biofertilizer, and electricity, then you have to go to the Urja and Petroleum Ministry. So all
yes.
these are the various facets. Even if you want to establish cow tourism, nowadays concept of
Yeah, that
cow
is,
cow cuddling, yeah, cow cuddling. You are
yes,
and in America, people are
it's
paying
happening
$100 to
for
stay with the
mental
cow
health.
for a day.
Yeah,
Yeah. So this is also a good. So we are propagating the concept of cow tourism in our Gausala,
yes,
in our God's
yes.
Mandir ashram, right? So it will create very many job opportunities and many entrepreneurship, even in digital platforms. See, all these items are many a times sold on digital platform. Many
Yes.
young IIT students came to me, and they have
Wow.
started digital platform to sell all these items. And
Only
one of
go,
my
yes.
yes, and one of my friend is nearby in Rajkot. He's only 7th standard pass, but he has developed one app for cow selling these
Huh.
all these items. Yesterday he told me, yes sir,
Huh.
within a week after our app, we displayed our app on media, $1,000 order is come to me,
Yeah,
$1,000 within a week.
absolutely.
So this
Yes.
is the opportunity, global opportunity for all of you. Yes. So now even many a time I say that there are so many other items also I can show you. Uh, see our one of our friend has made cow capsule, K2
Oh,
capsule. So yes, K2 you can take
immunity
one a
boosters.
day to increase your immunity. So for many neurological disorders, many
Yes.
cancer ailments, many skin diseases, many psychological disorders, heart attack, diabetes, and so many. So these are the various uses in various schemes in government of India. Just you
Yes.
have to explore your that portal. Okay,
Absolutely. You have
we
even,
are and we are also organizing because of Corona. It is not there, but we are organizing many scientific seminars, webinars, melas, exhibitions, and in that also these people we are inviting such type of entrepreneurs to participate. Government is giving to and fro fair and free stall there to
wow.
exhibit their various such type of products.
That that
So by
that is what
that way we are promoting.
Vallabhbhai ji, that is what, when I had shared with you, World Wellness Federation wanted to come up with the biggest preventive conference in Gujarat, where from the world the people will only come up with the validity, reliability based scientific subject, and they bring the prevention as an a biggest valuable evidence based science. So this
Very
is even
nice.
we are working hard on that. My co-founder Purnima Shirishkarji, she is also having more than 4 lakh women working under her, and she is right now she's a chairman of CGST also, and she is day to day profit करके वो एक program चलाते हैं, and in day to day profit all the small scale industries women, lakhs of women are our partner in that. So
Okay.
even the Purnima Kamarji, who is a CEO of this Namaste Bharat, even she is promoting, she's from Singapore, and she is promoting this entire subject at a different level. So we are here working hard towards it. And when I came back from Gujarat, and when we share it that for the cow, we really need to take it up, and if we all do it together, it becomes from I to we. The global changes will appear, and
Yes, global, up to global. Yeah. So
yes,
one thing I just before ending, I will add. I invite our all NRIs, all our people outside India to
yes,
come to India to invest. Many a times till now you are donating to our country because of your Desh Bhakti, your Rashtra Prem.
yeah,
You donated for in your village for health, for rural development, for education. Now I invite you to come for investment and to invest in cow-based industries. There are so many goshalas, so many because raw material is available easily, cow urine and cow dung
easily,
and
easily,
cow milk.
easily,
So it is a huge opportunity, huge potential, and it is at present unexplored. So now you come to
absolutely.
yeah.
3,200 Gaushala. So, global audience, listen to
Yes,
this.
and it very easily available, and we are promoting now. So you
Yes,
will get good opportunity over here to explore the various products. There are thousands of products, right from cow breed improvement, then science and technology, sex semen,
yes,
all digital market, then cow milk processing units and machineries, cow ghee, cow dung, and cow urine, all energy sector right
number
from
of products.
biofertilizer, a huge potential for biopesticide even. I will say
Yes,
biofertilizer and biopesticide for
biopesticide.
petroleum, for hydrogen fuel, that is from
Yes,
cow urine. So and organic farming again.
that's
We have
organic
developed the
culture.
yes, we are going for the organic food. So organic restaurant is also coming in India. Yes, you will be given organic Indian thali, Ayurved thali. So these are
Huh?
the
Huh?
concepts we are promoting,
Coming up.
and
Yes.
I invite all of you. Definitely, government and our Narendra Bhai Modi ji will help you.
So
Okay.
see, this is the abundance of India. This is the kind of we have a Vasudeva Kutumbakam. Not only we are talking, we are creating. We are right now the country who is helping globally people to survive in prevention and through prevention and for prevention. And last but not the least, one question which I would like to just end up with: how the Go product can create a business in health and immunity product. You have very nicely explained this entire thing right away. The women who are listening to us, because I know the audience who is going to listen to us this entire thing. The question will come. They are doing from their home. So, are we going to create a platform where they are making at home, and then they are there has to be some place where they can go and sell their product, or they can give their product, and that becomes the volume. So anything such kind of thing also can happen.
Yeah, we will definitely. We are creating that type of module from manufacturer up to marketing. These
Okay,
various there are digital platforms are coming up from Delhi, from Karnataka, from Gujarat.
okay,
They are selling all these items on their digital platform. There are display centers also coming up. In one of
perfect, virtual.
in Delhi, yes, display center for all cow-based products. In
Wow,
nearby, I think nearby in Delhi, which is that is nearby AIMS, All India Science Institute of Medical Science. In that area, he is opening a display center. Even many
wow,
malls are coming. Many organic malls are coming. In that, all these products are displayed, and there is a huge market. Now you come there. Even I will say that there are so many ladies, so many organizations, women
yes,
organizations. They are also coming forward for such type of marketing. Just we have to link it with the manufacturers. We have to guide them.
Yes, we just have to link it.
We have to be conscious with the quality control also. Yes,
Yeah,
quality control is
very
must,
important.
and we are also trying for that also.
Absolutely, absolutely. So I think my audience, today is the day where some new avenue of the business, the new avenue of the subject is front of you through Dr. Vallabhbhai Kathiria ji on the platform of Namaste Bharat. And we are definitely going to make value out of this interview, and we will take this to globally. And Vallabhbhai ji, it's really been a pleasure to have you here. So from my team, फ्रॉम मनी आज तक के जो मनीष जी सिद्धेश्वर जी है जो ये हैंडल कर रहे हैं, उनकी तरफ से, पूर्णिमा जी की तरफ से और पूर्णिमा कामत जी की तरफ से मैं आपका धन्यवाद करती हूँ. एंड थैंक यू सो मच, एंड वी विल लुक फॉरवर्ड टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ द गौ एंड spread the awareness for the Go products and help
और
people.
इसलिए लास्ट में मैं कहूंगा कि चलो
हाँ.
गाय की ओर, चलो
हाँ.
गांव की ओर, चलो प्रकृति की ओर. We
Yes.
have to go to nature, to cow, and to rural environment, and that is the
Mer-
motto of Rashtriya Kamdhenu Ayog. Let us continue on.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Vallabhbhai ji.
Thank you, team Namaste Bharat. Thank you.
Thank you.